Vastu tips for a west-facing house. Hello friends, wondering how to design your west-facing house based on Vastu principles? You can make it auspicious by incorporating the right design principles based on Vastu Shastra. Here are some Vastu tips for designing your rooms and entrance in your west-facing home. What is a west-facing house? There is a simple way to find out. Stand inside your home and face out of the main door or gate. If you face west, then it is a west-facing house. Advantages of a west-facing house. The main advantage of a west-facing home is the fact that you can get the warmth and glow of the evening sun until the late hours. Some people also believe that a house in the west direction will have more wealth and prosperity. They will not have foes and will be popular at work and in social situations. West-facing homes are supposed to be ideal for people who are politicians, business owners, teachers, and religious leaders. It is also supposed to be good for youngsters as it brings energy and enjoyment. Is a west-facing home good according to Vastu? You may have heard that a west or north-facing house is not desirable or brings bad luck and so on. But just like any home, you can follow Vastu principles even in a west-facing house and make it an auspicious space. There is no claim in Vastu Shastra that the west is an inauspicious direction. In fact, as per Vastu Shastra, all directions are equally good for a house. However, the deciding factor in Vastu for your home is the location of the entrance or main door. Vastu tips for a west-facing house. In general, the west side is good to place your bedroom, entrance, living room, puja room, dining room, study, entertainment room, foyer, library, children's bedroom, and staircase. The west direction is not suited for a water body, bathroom, girl's bedroom, and a guest room. Now let's get into the specifics for each room. 1. West-facing main door. You should ensure that your main door entrance is placed at the midwest or northern part of your home. It is good to design some metal work on your west-facing door, for example a metal name board or a metallic bell. Keep the main entrance area clutter-free. Remove any dustbins or broken furniture near the main door. 2. Master bedroom. It is best if your master bedroom is on the southwest side. It is said that this direction helps in improving the understanding between partners using the room. If your home is multi-storied, then have the master bedroom on the highest floor. This is supposed to bestow your home with success, harmony, and blessings from ancestors. 3. Children's room. Your children's room should ideally be in the south, west, or northwest directions. Place their wardrobes in the south or west direction. Keep the door in the east or north. 4. Living room. It is best if your living room faces the east, north, or northeast. A northwest-facing living room will also be good. Place any heavy pieces of furniture in the west or southwest direction of the room. 5. Kitchen. Don't plan your kitchen in the southwest part of the house. Place it in the southeast or northwest of the house. Make sure your kitchen counter with a cooktop faces the east as it is best to face east while cooking. 6. Guest bedrooms. It is best if your guest bedrooms are located in the northwest or southern direction, and never in the southwest direction. 7. Windows. Design more windows in the north and east directions to help balance the flow of energy. 8. Eliminate clutter. Use the evening sunlight to the maximum. Place large windows and remove all obstructions to light up the west part of your house. Leave your worries behind about a west-facing home. You can easily make these Vastu tweaks to transform your west-facing home into one filled with positive energy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.